Today we're gonna hook up these power over Ethernet cameras. We're gonna unbox it, see how it looks inside. Okay, so this is what comes in the kit. We got this, some Ethernet cables. It's not long enough. We'll have to make some. We have some waterproof connections, more Ethernet cable. We've got about 4 sets of Ethernet cable. These are probably Cat 5e cables. Then you got the connectors right here, and the camera right here. And we've got those mount directly here and directly to the internet. Then we have the network box right here, reolink. See how the installation goes. Okay, so the plan is to put the camera on this corner right here and on this corner over here. So maybe we can use the existing light fixture location and run it back to over there. We'll take a look and see how that goes. A camera on this angle right here to shoot toward the driveway over here. So let's take a look. Okay, so yeah, this thing's leaking from right here. Oh boy, this whole pan right here is not supposed to have water in there. Fucking crazy. But anyways, what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the corner over there and bring the cable back from that side. There should be plenty of room there just to bring it over. Yeah. I'm gonna go to the corner and grab the cable. Alright, so what we're gonna do is fish the cable back here, drill a hole right here, fish the cable up. This cable in here. Down here is go up to the sea. We're using this glow rod right here to catch the cable that's going on. Now we should see that cable in here somewhere. It's on the cable in here somewhere. So we're gonna wiggle it. Hopefully we'll catch it. Yep, it's right there. Yep. So we're gonna go catch it like that. Bring it this way. And that's how you catch the cable. So we have the cable coming. Over. We're gonna stick it in that existing hole that they made here for an alarm system at one point in life. So we're gonna stick it in there, and we should see it come out somewhere down there. So we just gotta stick enough in there. See the cable right here. We just pull it, and that's one cable right here. We just need to get 3 more cables. Okay, so we're gonna probably set the camera. Let's see. We're gonna make a hole directly in here. So that's how we're gonna set the camera, and then we'll turn it however it needs to be. We're gonna use a 3/4 inch drill bit right here and drill straight through the wood right here. So we should be good. There goes the hole. Stick the cable through. In here, fat cable first. You have to tie it open though. Okay. Let's stick the small cables. Stick that in there. And we'll just mount it up here. Make it for a flawless connection. Thing we gotta do is just connect this in here, these waterproof connectors. Screw them on. So we'll put some silicone through this little hole right here. Use some silicone here. Make sure nothing leaks around. Okay, so that's one camera set up, ready to go. Just gotta do some minor adjustment. By tightening this, let's see this is it. I can adjust this right here. Like that. Camera down, ready to go.
So this one right here stays towards the front here. Next thing we're gonna do is put a camera on this corner over here, and probably put a camera on this corner over here as well. So that should be alright. So here is this roof right here, doesn't go to the other side out there. So what I may end up doing is probably drill straight to the other side somehow. Okay, sometimes we have to go through these little tight areas over here and crouch down, and it's not very easy doing this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna drill a hole there through that beam, but I gotta lay down. Let's make sure you got a mask on though. Alright, so let me drill a hole and see if you can see daylight. Okay, I got a hole drilled over here. Now I should be able to fish a cable through. Whew. So hard. Okay, so I should have a hole somewhere. Okay, yep, right there. There's a hole. So now I can fish 2 cables through that beam right there. Alright, I got the cable stretched out. Now I just gotta push it in a hole. Once you stretch the cable out, it should come out a whole lot smoother once you go back in the attic. Just shove that through the hole and use the glow rod to take it out. So I should have enough cable in that hole right there. Now I'm gonna go back inside the attic and pull the cable through. See the cable on that end right there, so I'm gonna go get it with using the glow rod. This other one, I'm just gonna shove the cable through this hole right here. This will be where the central location is. So should still have plenty of room here. Shove another cable through. So this is the hole that I made for this. Just gotta put a camera. So this takes care of the other camera. Okay, I got the other camera set up on this corner right here, keeping it on the porch. Okay, the last cable. This one right here goes straight to the kitchen. So just gonna fish it through this hole right here. And that goes to the kitchen. The kitchen camera right here made it through. So this is where I ran all the cables into, and then they're all gonna hook up to the NVR box here. We got fish 1 to 2. All the cables ran through. Just gonna hook them up to the yep. Gonna run all this to the NVR. Okay, so we're gonna put the time frame here and everything. Date. Well, today's the 14th. What's the time right now? What time is it right now? Shit, you have to set up an email. So these are done. These are the cameras. You set up. Okay, there we go. Those are the cameras all hooked up. What?